Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Mbrp Unbox. Today we got a special episode for you guys. We got the legend Jared here from Mbrp to go over this beautiful system we got for this sexy Golf R up here. Jared, want to talk about the system and what are the magics in the box here?
Absolutely. Well, without further ado, I think we should open it up and let's show the real magic inside.
Awesome, let's do it, man. All right, 3, 2, 1, bananas. Bam! Handle with care. First thing you notice, everybody, is the packaging is really well done. They make sure these get to you perfectly. Oh man, look at this. Everything's in a nice box. Ooh, carbon tips.
Ooh. Yeah, it's a stainless tips.
Yeah. Those are beautiful.
Everything's kind of foam packed, so it's not going to move around or anything, so it's going to get to your door in one piece, no damaged product, and ready to be put on. So.
Awesome. And you can tell Mbrp puts the love in, everybody. Like, the welds look beautiful. Everything's nice. Flanges look good. The hangers look great. You're saying you guys just got a brand new machine to make these hangers,
exactly,
right?
Yeah, not only to help production too, but it really kind of just, you know, when guys are putting this on at home with common hand tools or anything like that, you know, we really take that extra care to make sure that there's no burrs or anything. You're not going to kind of cut yourself.
So these carbon tips are great, Jared, but what other tip options do you guys offer?
So for this kit specifically, you can actually order a kit that comes with the stainless option, but I mean, if you want to zoom out and look at our whole product line, I mean, you've got everything from a 3-inch tip to all the way up to like an 8-inch diesel tip, you know, so there's several different options, black and stainless and everything like that too.
Very
but
cool.
For the kit we're doing here today, we've really kind of stepped up our game with the carbon fiber option.
Wicked. And what material are you guys making these pipes out of?
So out of 304 stainless, that is actually a food grade stainless too, so it's going to look the same here today for the lifetime of the vehicle as well.
Excellent.
Actually backed by a lifetime warranty too.
Wicked.
You know, anybody can kind of really bend some pipe and make an exhaust out of it, but to sound good, not have any drone, and make it fit, that's where Mbrp really excels in. So this is actually called a Helmholtz. So basically what this does is kind of give you a really great deep sound, but eliminates all the drone. So you can drive in your vehicle without, you know, any drone, talk on your Bluetooth, you know, have a conversation without any issue, while still having that great Mbrp sound. So what do we say we get her on the car? Let's take off the stock system. And
let's go rip this one out and put this on.
Awesome.
So for this system, Mbrp deletes the factory valves in the exhaust, but they provide these block-offs which clip right into the harness.
We got the system on. So kind of as we were talking about a little bit of the R&D process behind it, you know, obviously when we start a vehicle for a new project, get it in the shop, we'll 3D scan it, you know, so then that kind of gives us all the data we need to make a prototype from. And we'll basically go anywhere from, you know, 2, 5, even 10 iterations of exhaust to really key in on that sound and ultimately the style look too. So
you guys laser scan it, so you capture where all the mounting points are and everything, and then in CAD you kind of plot out like the tolerances and everything.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's check out the kit. So basically, you know, Mbrp is a compliant company, as we always kind of focus on. So we're going to pick it up right here. You know, factory cat and everything stays in place, and this is a cat back system. So utilizes all the factory mounting locations and everything. But what I really want to kind of show you guys is this right here. So this is called a Helmholtz. So basically, through our R&D process, we want to achieve that certain sound, you know, but it's got to be different. And again, too, when you're cruising, you don't want any of that drone. Drone's the worst, you know, so we eliminate that completely with this here. So again, you can easily talk on your Bluetooth or have a conversation, you know, but still have that great Mbrp sound.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Random question about the Helmholtz. So because the gases are flowing this way, there's this does not create any kind of back pressure or restriction or any kind of effect to performance, just based on how it shoots off technically into dead end here, right?
Exactly. So it will create a little bit of back pressure, but we, again, in the R&D process, will measure flow. So I can assure you that this will way outflows the factory kit. I mean, we've seen what that looks like too with the big resonator.
And the pinches in the pipe.
Absolutely. You know, the reductions in that too, and the big heavy muffler at the back. So yeah, no issues with flow and everything on this too. So yeah, as we kind of look through the back here as well too, this is all 3-inch mandrel bent tubing as well. You know, again, watching the tolerances as we talked about again there as well. You know, making sure maximizing your ground clearance, because obviously, you know, you guys, just like everybody else in the space, lower cars, everything too. So we're really kind of conscious of that.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Very cool. Like, I love the tolerances on the sway bar here. You guys really did a good job.
Yeah. So definitely. So
we're gonna go back here.
Yeah, coming around to the back. Then that's kind of Y split and everything too. That kind of comes in out here to your tail sections as well, utilizing your factory mounting location, and exiting into these quad carbon fiber tips.
Also, something to note for this system, everybody, we actually deleted the factory valving, and Mbrp supplies the plug-ins for your harness, and they just tuck it away back there, so you get even more weight savings.